Namaste friends, welcome back to Vanabhaji Center for True Learning. In this video, we talk about different respiratory pigments in different animal groups. What are respiratory pigments? Colored substances present in blood transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. They are the coloring substances present in the blood of the organisms. Their main role is transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. They have special characteristics. Respiratory pigments have special characteristics. Number one, they are colored pigments. They have special affinity for respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. They contain protein part and metallic ions. They are distributed, present either in blood or body fluids, of organisms. They transport gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide from lungs to various tissues and from tissues to lungs also. These are few important the characteristics of respiratory pigments. Let us list out various names of respiratory pigments belongs to different animals of different phylums and classes. The most familiar one, that is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is one of the important respiratory pigment which appears in red color. The color of the hemoglobin is red. They found in all vertebrate animals, then annelids, insects, flatworms, etc. So we can say the human being as example for having hemoglobin. Right. The main task or functioning of hemoglobin is transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide from lungs to all the cells and from cells to the lungs. Then come to the structure of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin actually composed of two parts or components. One component is called globin, which is protein part. Another one is heme, which is non-protein part. Generally, the globin protein contains 4 one, two, three, four polypeptide chains with heme molecules, non-protein molecules. Right. Then these are the heme molecules. Then these are polypeptide chains. Of the four, two chains are identical, called alpha chains. Then remaining two chains are called beta chains, which are also identical. Then alpha chain has 141 amino acids. Then this one alpha. Then beta chain has 146 amino acids. Then come to the heme part, non-protein part. It is composed of two things. Heme part is one is iron, metallic one. Then another one is porphyrin. Porphyrin is the color giving substance, that is red color. Heme is equals to metallic iron plus porphyrin. Then hemoglobin equals to globin plus heme molecule. The hemoglobin, due to the special affinity for the gases, hemoglobin can collect the oxygen and bring to the cells and collect the carbon dioxide from cells and deliver at the lungs level. So it is about hemoglobin respiratory pigments. So let us see another important respiratory pigment, that is hemocyanin. It is found in arthropoda animals and also some molluscs. The second respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. Actually it is in blue color. It contains copper metal ions. It is found in the plasma part. It is present in the plasma part. Examples from arthropoda phylum. One is Daphnia. So one is Daphnia, the other one is Limulus. Then from Mollusca phylum, one is Sepia, another one is Octopus. It is about the hemocyanin. Next, third one is hemoerythrin. Another one is hemoerythrin, so which is in reddish violet color. It contains iron, metallic ion. Then it found in blood corpuscles, like hemoglobin also present in the blood corpuscles. The example is lingula. Lingula is the example for having hemoerythrin respiratory pigment. Then come to fourth, the respiratory pigment, that is pigment. Pigment, so which is in brown color. So it is also found in body fluid. Having a manganese as a metal ion. The example is pinna. So it is about pigment. So come to the fifth one. The fifth respiratory pigment is vanadium. So it found in plasma. Of the animal. The metal ion is vanadium. Next, sixth one is chloroquine. Let me erase this first. Another one, that is sixth one, chloroquine. It is the green color pigment, the present in plasma. Then so examples are Sevella. Example is Sevella. There is one more example, Serpula. It also contain iron. Next, seventh respiratory pigment is the echinochrome. Echinochrome. So it is in red color. Found in plasma. So example is sea urchin. It is about various kinds of respiratory pigments in different organisms. Thank you for watching this video.